Hi students, in the last video we were studied about the uses of potentiometer. In this video we will study about applications of potentiometer. There are number of applications of potentiometer in which some applications which are used in laboratory, that is potentiometer instrument used to measure EMF of a cell. It is also used for comparison of EMF of two cells, and it is used to measure internal resistance of a cell. These applications of potentiometer are generally used in laboratory, and some applications which are used in practical purpose. These practical applications of potentiometer are given as follows. For example, first one is voltage divider, second one is audio control, and third one is potentiometer as a sensor, in which first we see voltage divider. That is the first application of potentiometer which is used in practical applications or practical purpose. So what is voltage divider? In this voltage divider, potentiometer can be used as a voltage divider to continuously change the output voltage of a voltage supply. Means if we continuously change the output voltage of any voltage supply, then we use potentiometer as a voltage divider. This voltage divider arrangement of potentiometer is as shown in figure 9.11. This figure 9.11 shows the voltage divider arrangement of an potentiometer instrument, where a potential V is set up between points A and B of potentiometer wire. One end of device connected to the positive end, that is point A, and the other end is connected to the slider or jockey that can move or slide along wire AB. The voltage V divides in proportionals of lengths L1 and L2 as shown in the figure. This voltage V divides in proportion of lengths L1 as well as length L2. Means if we have potential difference between point A and B, then it is proportional to the length L1, and if we have to measure potential difference between P and B, then it is varies in proportion of length L2. That is the voltage divider arrangement. This voltage divider arrangement is used along with potentiometer instrument, which is used to continuously change the output voltage of a voltage supply, to measure the continuously change the output voltage of a voltage supply. That is the voltage divider arrangement. Second use of potentiometer is audio control. In this use, sliding potentiometers are used. These sliding potentiometers are commonly used in modern low power audio systems in audio control device. In any audio control device in which modern low power audio systems are used, where sliding potentiometers are used. Both sliding potentiometer and rotary potentiometer. Sliding potentiometer is known as faders and rotary potentiometers are known as knobs, are regularly used for frequency attenuation, loudness control, and for controlling different characteristics of audio signals. Rotary potentiometers means knobs, and sliding potentiometers, faders, are regularly used for the frequency attenuation, where audio control system frequency attenuation is used, then these potentiometers are used, as well as for controlling the loudness and for controlling the different characteristics of audio signals. And third application of potentiometer is potentiometer as a sensor. If the slider of potentiometer is connected to the moving part of a machine, it can work as a motion sensor. If slider of potentiometer means jockey or sliding key of potentiometer is connected to the moving part of a machine, then potentiometer work as a motion sensor. A small displacement of moving part causes change in potential, which is further amplified using an amplifier circuit. The potential difference is calibrated in terms of displacement of the moving part. Means a small displacement of moving part. A moving part of any device having small displacement which causes changes in potential. This displacement causes due to change in potential, and this change in potential further amplified or means increases amplified using an amplifier circuit. The potential difference is calibrated in terms of displacement of the moving part. Means to measure potential difference of to measure potential difference we displace the moving part of that machine, so that potentiometer uses as an sensor. That is the third use of or application of potentiometer, which is used in practical purpose. So students, in this video we were studied about applications of potentiometer. In next video we will study about next point. So thank you.